People are not aware. The social stigma is a malware. Many girls are not conscious, but this matter is something serious. A girl named Lily. She was an adorable child. She grew up surrounded by joy and contentment. She was such an ecstatic and exuberant girl. She married her loved one. On a happy day, Lily gave birth to a child. Everything was perfect. Few days after giving birth, she felt pain in her breast, but she didn't care about the pain. She thought it would go away. Unfortunately, she was wrong. After a year, her husband noticed her suffering and went to a doctor. And it was too late. The doctor couldn't help her out. There was no time in her hand. Lily was going to leave this world, her loved one, her newborn baby. Because the cancer went beyond her breast, it spread to other parts of her body. Like Lily, in every 74 seconds, somewhere in the world, someone dies from breast cancer. Every day, 1,167 people, and every year, about 500,000 people die of breast cancer. Actually, we all know this, but we are not conscious. We are not ready to admit, because there is no way to admit these things right now. But we have created a system that will be able to admit. Every one of us will admit. Our system is like a bridge between unaware people to the aware ones. This way, people will be able to get a trustworthy guideline. We are calling this system Pink Decoder. It's an automated early detection system for breast cancer. If we are not conscious, where is our consciousness? In our hands, in our mobile phones, in our devices. A girl cannot be conscious about her breast all the time. A girl cannot talk about her breast because social stigma is high. A girl cannot talk about her breast, but she can type. We are developing a system with introduction, a game of examination with a key of early detection. Our key is a makeup box. Strange, right? It looks like an ordinary makeup box, but it's not. It is a tool to perform clinical breast examination at any time, anywhere, any place. This device only needs a flat surface to be mounted. It transforms itself into a breast cancer detecting device just with a single tap. One can create a 3D model of a breast by capturing pictures with a built-in camera. Yes, it has an AI camera. This camera can detect a new lump or lumpiness, changes of shape, changes of skin, texture, and redness of the breast. Not only that, the user will be able to see what the camera sees. It has a mini projector that can project all this camera footage on a wall in real time. It has makeup brushes with biosensors in it, which can detect hardness of the breast and create the temperature map of the skin. This way, it's replacing our conventional clinical breast examination with a better accuracy and less time. It can also report abnormalities of the breast and give a reminder of monthly automated breast examination. But how is it possible? We are connecting this device with a mobile application. All the data that has been collected through the makeup box can be transmitted into a phone through an app via Bluetooth. It will generate monthly clinical breast examination report and evaluate a potential risk of breast cancer. If it shows potentially higher risk, this app will provide a guideline. It will suggest the nearest place where one can perform mammograms and connect with the doctor to go further with the process. However, one can use the app for calculating the risk factor and perform self-breast examination using augmented reality without the makeup box also. For that, one has to open the camera from the app and select a place to set a location where a 3D model of girl will pop up. This 3D model will show how to perform a self-breast examination. Last but not the least, anyone can use our website pinkdecoder.com just like an app. One can calculate the score of risk factor and perform self-breast examination with the app and the website also. A booking system for an appointment to a nearby doctor is available on the website. There are a lot of girls all over the world who are already diagnosed with breast cancer and fortunately survived the journey. These girls will help our users by connecting with the breast cancer community through our automated early detection system. People are moving so fast on the internet. They consume a lot of information through social media and other online activities. And we want these people to be aware. We want every girl to be conscious. If companies like Estee Lauder adopt the Pink Decoder system, it will be a movement to save lives from breast cancer. A movement to break the social stigma. A movement to create an awareness within millions of girls who are in a danger like Lily was.